In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive, an essential tool for storing and sharing files. Google Drive not only helps you keep your files organized, but also makes them accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Let's dive into how you can get started using Google Drive. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once there, you need to locate Google Drive. If you're already signed into your Google account, you can easily find Google Drive by clicking on the grid icon in the top right corner. It's the icon made up of 9 small squares. Once the menu opens, you should see the Google Drive logo. Click on it, and you'll be taken straight to your drive. Now let's talk about organizing your files. Once you're in Google Drive, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a button labeled New. Clicking this button will reveal a drop-down menu. The first option you'll see is New Folder. By selecting this, you can create a new folder to organize your files. Choose a name that's descriptive and helps you recognize the contents easily. Good file organization will save you time and help you locate documents quickly, especially when your drive starts filling up. Onto uploading files, Google Drive makes this incredibly simple too. If you have individual files you'd like to upload from your computer to your drive, choose the file upload option from the same new drop-down menu. This is perfect for uploading Word documents, photos, PDFs, or any other individual file types you need on the cloud. Whether you're preparing a presentation or storing family photos, just select the files you need and Drive will handle the rest. In case you have entire folders that you want to move to Google Drive, the next option down, Folder Upload, is what you need. This time-saving feature allows you to move entire folders, along with their subfolders and files, into your Google Drive, preserving your existing organizational structure. It's particularly useful if you're transitioning from another storage solution or are starting a large project that consists of multiple files and documents. Lastly, within Google Drive, you'll notice some additional productivity tools available to you. Google has integrated various useful applications directly into Drive, like Google Docs for word processing, Google Sheets for spreadsheets, and Google Slides for presentations. These tools offer real-time collaboration so you can work alongside colleagues or friends no matter where you all are. That's all for today's guide on using Google Drive. With these basic steps, you're ready to start storing and sharing your files effortlessly and securely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.